here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. Today we're making, I love it. Ah, look at that, it looks so good. Time to get our crafting hands ready. So now that we have everything assembled, let's get started. Right over there. All right, keep it up, keep going. There we go. Keep going. All right, let's move on to our next step. I think I craft. Good job. There we go. You gotta keep going. All right, moving on. Right over there. Ooh, so colorful. Oh, one more thing. No, stop now, we're almost done. Ah, look at that, it looks so good. It's beautiful. And now it's time for the last step. And ta-da! All right, that looks awesome. Well, hey there, boys and girls. Crafty Carol here with a brand new craft for you right here at Cool School. So, who's ready for more crafts from the Loud House? Ah, I know I am. You are you? I know you are, I could tell. I'm working with Nickelodeon again, and today we're making birthday party crafts. The Loud House cupcake toppers and noise-making party poppers, because you can't have a loud birthday without getting loud, right? Yes! I know. Okay, so let's make those poppers first. Here's what you need. We got push pop containers, confetti, some small wrapped candies, tiny jingle bells, scissors, some non-toxic glue, some tissue paper, clear tape, and the most important thing of all, super awesome printables from the Loud House. Check out the link below so you can get your own. So we've got all our supplies ready. Are you ready? Let me hear a big, loud yes. Oh, too loud. Just kidding. We're getting ready for the Loud House birthday party. There's no such thing as too loud. Yeah! First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop the top off our push pop pop. So before I fill up the popper, I am going to decorate it. I'm gonna use this awesome Lincoln Loud printable here. So I'm just gonna cut this out to wrap around our popper here. And the reason I'm folding this right now is because I want to have nice straight lines. And you'll end up with something about like this. Now you don't have to do it exactly like I am, but I wanted to be able to wrap him around the entire popper. And that way it's a surprise what's inside. It's kind of like a piñata. You don't know until you pop. That's perfect. See how it's gonna look so good. So let's just go ahead and put a little glue on our guy here. I'm just gonna roll it to smooth it out. All right, so let's fill this baby up. Some paper confetti here. I'm gonna pop in. Got metallic confetti. And make sure you get soft candies, because you're gonna be popping this out. You don't want it to pop somebody in the eye. We gotta put some jingle bells in there for the noise. Ooh, it's overflowing with confetti and fun. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put tissue paper on top. Just gonna kind of make an indent right here, about how big I want it to be. And I'm gonna cut around there. Just gonna cut my circle just a little bit bigger than we need. All right, so see, there you go. Starting to get exciting. And then I'm just gonna pop that right on top here. Just like a little hat right now. Smush this down. One little piece of tape here. Take a longer piece of tape, and I'm gonna just work that around here. So you can have mom or dad or maybe one of your 10 siblings come and help you with this part. It is nice to have an extra hand for it. Make a little noise with it. So cool! Look at that! But before we topper, we must topper. It's time to make the Loud House cupcake toppers. Here's what we need. The Loud House printables. Check out the link below to find your own. Lollipop sticks, clear tape, and most importantly, slash deliciously, we need cupcakes. Mmm, delicious. So I'm just gonna set those aside, stare at them longingly, anticipating the moment I get to take a bite. But in the meantime, let's get started. I've got all of the characters printed out here. Lana, Lenny, Lincoln, Luna, Lori, Lynn, Clyde, Lily, Lisa, Lola, Lan, and I got Lucy. You know, I've only got 6 cupcakes here with me now, but for my birthday party, hello, of course, I would make every single character. What do we want to do first? I'm gonna start with Lola because Lola loves sweets.
Slice of pie. Who wants it?
I raised my hand. I can't believe no one else wanted this!
Just gonna cut out a little circle around her. So now I'm gonna take my lollipop stick here, and I'm just gonna take some clear tape. This could not be easier. All right, so just gonna smoosh this down here, and boom, look, done, so easy. You know, Luann would actually probably love the party poppers. She's a little prankster, so anything that's gonna pop and explode, she's probably into it. Here we go. We didn't have a Lincoln Loud birthday party and not invite Clyde. I mean, we gotta have a Clyde topper over here. And with Lily, I don't know, Lily might smooth it up, if you know what I mean. Let's do a Lucy. I love Lucy. I love Lucy. So remember, you can get as many cupcakes as you want with many of the Loud House characters as you want. But for now, I got 6 cupcakes because that's as many as I can eat before dinner. So I chose my 6 characters. Wait a second. I want to add some orange sprinkles to these cupcakes. Bring out a little more of that Loud House magic. Right. Ooh, all right. So we got Luna. We got Clyde. We got Lucy. She'd probably like a black frosting cupcake, but we'll go brown. We got Lola, the sweetest of the sweets. We got our little prankster Luann here. And of course, you know we gotta have Lincoln. Okay, I came here to do 2 things, people. Craft and party. And it looks like I'm all done crafting. So, are you ready? Tell me which of these the Loud House B-Day party crafts you're gonna make. Maybe both? I don't know. Have your grown-up take a pic of your creations or your birthday party. Post it to Instagram, tag me, tag Cool School Show, and tag the Loud House. Make sure you catch the Loud House on Nickelodeon.